When it comes to making money online, I've seen it done a few different ways. So the first one I've seen work out successfully is the agency model. And in this model, you have to first identify a really serious, painful problem that companies have, and you offer to solve it in exchange for, a monthly fee. Now, interestingly, when it comes to the agency model, I've seen a few people succeed at this without actually knowing the skill that you need to execute for the clients. And they do that by actually finding the people who can do that and then hiring them. So they sell the service to the client, and then they find these people and hire them for that project and then just outsource the work to them. And this gives them a lot of time and energy to go and find new clients. A very interesting way to start making money today. And it all comes down to your ability to sell and close deals. The second way that I've seen people make money online is the educational model. So in this model, a person has learned a skill that a lot of people want to learn, and they know how to solve problems, and they're teaching people how to solve problems. So for example, if you want to build SaaS and I know how to build, an MVP really quickly, I could create a course which says, hey, here's my 5-step framework or process that I use to build my MVPs really quickly, and I can then sell it as a course to other people. And this is also a great way to make money online, because a lot of people are investing in self-development, in wanting to learn these skills. And finally, the third way that I've seen people make money online is to actually build products. And so digital products ranging from PDFs all the way to SaaS. And if I'm not wrong, most SaaS has a 90% profit margin. So the way that would work is you identify a painful, repeating problem that businesses have, and then create a solution or a software solution to solve that repeating problem, and you get a repeating revenue. If you're wondering, is there a good place to start? Is one of them better than the other? Well, it actually depends on what kind of skills you have, but there is one skill that cuts across these three different ways of, making money online, and that is the skill of learning to sell and market your product or program. So if there is one thing that you need to learn, or you want to start somewhere, I would say learn how to sell online. And it's actually kind of simple. It's not about selling as much as trying to help somebody. So if you change your mindset from, hey, buy my product, to, hey, there's a guy who I know who will definitely benefit from having my product, and I need to be able to get my solution into their hands. Once you change your mindset, selling becomes easy. And once you master that skill, you could win with an agency model, with a course model, or a SaaS model.